Alright, so this is our last day in Bangkok. We're about to head off to Chiang Mai, and we are grabbing a pretty nice breakfast. This is definitely the most luxury breakfast we've had thus far. We actually haven't eaten out once for breakfast because we've had complimentary hotel breakfast. But the breakfast this morning was a little bit mid, so we just kind of nibbled. We didn't eat a ton, but we stopped at this really nice restaurant. Like, look at the,
oh wow,
it's a really nice spot. Like, very good, high quality stuff. The menu looks absolutely delicious.
and they also have like sitting outside if you want to. It's also, I think, like an all day kind of thing.
Yeah.
If you want to eat like brunch here, you can eat lunch. Maybe you can also have dinner. They have good cocktails and mocktails, so 100% recommend. And they also have like 5-course meal with a mocktail for $54.
Yeah, which that is pretty expensive. However, I think our mindset when it comes to traveling is kind of like 80-20 principle. Like 80% of the time we're like, okay, let's try to save our money and this and that. 20% of the time you have to let loose and experience life. You know what I mean? When are you ever gonna have the opportunity to be a millionaire? You could be a bot millionaire, and then you can live your life. So live your life, man.
I think this is way bigger than we expected it to be. Oh my god.
So we have ourselves a caramel macchiato.
There,
And we have ourselves eggs Benedict.
and there's 2 eggs Benedict in one big muffin. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. It's a very small airport, but it's a very efficient airport. You get in, you get out. To get a Grab, you just get out and you order your Grab or an airport taxi. Really easy. That's it. We're here in Chiang Mai. Old town, it's like a square, and it's all surrounded by a little pond or river or that goes all around it. It's really beautiful. We'll show you guys later. So this is our hotel for the next 3 nights here in Chiang Mai. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my god. What do you think, baby? Such a beautiful place. Oh, wow.
Welcome to our hotel in Chiang Mai.
First, we have a very unique bathroom. Very nice.
This is definitely the vibe that we were going for. It's very different than a traditional hotel, but kind of fits the jungle, the colors, like, I don't know. I like
The
it quite a
Thai
bit.
culture,
Yeah.
the uniqueness of it. Very nice. We have a balcony too. We have a lot of space here too. Like, we can put over all of our stuff, a working table, TV,
It's a big room.
closet, a little
It's a
fridge.
very big room.
Very nice. And the floor is very unique.
And it was $35 a night.
Yeah.
Let's go show you the pool area, which is even crazier.
It really is beautiful. Wow. The architecture.
Okay, so we actually just went ahead and talked to staff and they allowed us to upgrade our room. Now, this is what's known as the Grand Palace, all right? So it's the nicest room in all the resort. Got this beautiful, beautiful entryway, staircase going up. Now, this is $700 US per night. But when I talked to the hotel manager, it's not booked for tomorrow. I basically said, look, the Travel Goobers, we're a new upcoming YouTube channel. It's a high likelihood that, you know, we can make your place famous. Let us stay there for free and we'll take good care of it. Just kidding. This is just a fucking lobby. This is some sort of decorative area.
Look at this ceiling though.
But subscribe so one day maybe we can, you know, get free hotel stays. Gracias.
Literally right there. Wow. So right now we're walking on the streets of Chiang Mai. It's really green here and it's also so much more slow living than what Bangkok is. And I think everything's like super easy access and really nice. Super close too. You can walk anywhere. You probably can rent a bike and be okay. Yeah?
Let me get my beard trimmed.